is up, everybody? This is Patrick, Mid 10 Outdoors. How is my outdoor crew doing? I hope this video finds you well. I am freaking pumped. It is YouTuber weekend at Big Ridge State Park in East Tennessee, and I'm on my way, running a little late. Well, I knew I wouldn't be able to go up till Saturday, and Chloe had a concert last night that I had to be at, and wasn't gonna miss that. So anyway, I'm going up on Saturday, but I was in no rush to get out of the house this morning. Got up, drank a cup of coffee, did the thing, shower, you know, all that good stuff. Got all the stuff loaded in the truck. I'm working my way up there. Got all the goodies. Can't wait to see the fellas and the ladies and all the kids and everybody. I am solo this time. Chloe couldn't go because I'm gonna be here till Monday, and her leg situation, it's still hard for her to ride very far. But that all gets taken care of in June, and hopefully, well, we are going on a short trip in another week or two, and you'll probably see that sometime in June. But what I'm going to do, because there's so much I'm going to be doing this weekend, I'm breaking down each day into videos. So today's Saturday. It's going to be the YouTuber itself meetup. So all that'll be on this video. And tomorrow's video will be whatever we get into, and then Monday's video will be the same. So those will be broken up into weeks, in 3 separate weeks. Just don't want to put it all in one video. Cheapen it out. There's my plan. So I'm gonna sit here and listen to some more music, cruise. I got 152 miles to go. It says I'll be there right around 1. That's okay. That gives me time. And the best part about it is the weather looks like for the next 2 days is going to be awesome. There's some slight chances of thunderstorms each day, but not like it was. They were calling for 75% chance today, and now they've dropped that down to like a 30%, so it means afternoon thunderstorm. I can handle that. Monday may get kind of interesting, so I may be a drowned rat when I load this truck up. But I'm gonna shut up, I'm gonna drive, we're gonna roll in that intro, and I'll see you later. All of camp is set up for me, except for a few knickknacks here and there, lights, that kind of stuff. But gazelle's right there, canopy's right here. It's all popped up. I'm gonna be here for 3 days, 2 nights, so I might as well have the big canopy up. Got the gazelle set up. I was gonna sit up right here, but I got to looking at it. It's kind of a depression, so we know what happens if it rains tonight. What that depression will do, it'll be a little lake. So anyway, actually the lake is right through there. Let me flip the screen down. Trying to get you right through there is the lake. Danny is staying over there, so is Ron. So they're next door. Travis and them are over there. We met a couple other guys. We'll get with them here in a little while up at the pavilion. I'm taking a break. I got here and threw everything up. Danny helped me a little bit, but I forgot how to set the gazelle up. This is the first time I've actually staked it out too. Reason for it being is there may be some storms later. There may be some storms next little while. I don't know. I haven't looked at the radar in a little bit. But I can back the truck up under it for cooking tonight or in the morning if it does rain. no big deal. So I've got plenty of room to do my stuff. Now I literally can go from the tent to here. I mean, it's 3 feet maybe. So, and I've got those weights on the legs, but I've also got anchor down a couple places. I'm gonna take 5 seconds to breathe. And Danny was saying this is a rustic old campground, but I kind of like them that way. Got to do some cleanup around here. People don't know how to get rid of the trash. But I'm here for 3 days. So I'm enjoying a sugar-free Propel Fit Water, because I've been doing it. That's it for now. I'll bring you back once we mosey around a little bit. But pretty place. Got pretty scenery behind me. Hopefully the rain will stay away.
Have you got?
The only problem with that is I'm my only fan.
Farther up in the dirt.
So which way are we going to go? We're going to start?
No, we'll start with you. I don't know if I'm gonna be
just
the
go
lead
and
this
name.
year.
Okay.
Go all the way around. Okay, so what are we doing again? Just your
I'm
name
going
and
to
your
say
channel.
my name, my channel, and then we'll go around and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. But we screw it up every time.
It makes me
That's all part of it, man. So all we say is our name and our channel.
Yep.
Nothing
Whatever you
else.
want to say.
Yeah, you
don't
can say
say
more
that.
if you want to.
mean,
Say whatever you want about
I
the
mean,
channel, just don't
whatever.
4-hour video.
Oh, fine. 3.5 works.
So we ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
All right, I'm Patrick, Mid-10 Outdoors. Been up here at the Rendezvous on the Ridge, and I stink and need a shower.
Hi, I'm Ron from Out and About Outdoors with Ron and Friends. I drove down here from Pennsylvania to be with the guys from Tennessee, and this guy back here from South Carolina.
Yeah.
We had a great time. Look forward to maybe getting this done again next. I don't
Hey
know.
everyone, I'm Jim. I have the Next Cast on YouTube as well as Boneyard Wildlife. It's great coming down here and meeting everyone at the Rendezvous at the Ridge. Learned a lot. Great times, great moments, and I'm looking forward to this being something that we do more in the future. If you find value in watching this video, subscribe to all their channels, and then come over to mine and let me know how that makes you feel. Have a good day.
I like it.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want me to go?
Go ahead.
I'm standing with Swamp Stalker Outdoors. This is Nick. I don't even know what I want to say.
Did you know your name was
You're
Shannon?
at the Rendezvous at the Ridge.
I'm at the Rendezvous at the Ridge, right? And hey, we just had a good time. Hope that, you know, more next year, more of y'all come. And we're missing a few people this year. What is it? Modern tent camping and Piney Life. Wish y'all would have been here this year. Piney Life, we made the beans. You missed out, brother.
I'm Michael from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. I'm here at Rendezvous at the Ridge. Just made some new friends and had a great time and hope to be back next year.
I'm Tara from the Bridges of Care.
Okay, that's good. I'm Travis. Got TN Outdoors Fanatic and Reynolds Ranch, Flint Ridge. This is my daughter Taryn. You know, we're glad to have everybody here, see some old faces, old friends, make some new friends as well. And personally, you know, we've enjoyed sharing, I guess, what we consider to be our home state park with everybody since we grew up here. This is home to us, and it just happy to share it with others.
And I'm Danny from T&D Outdoors, and this is our 3rd year, I guess.
Yep.
We got caught. This Patrick and I the first year, and it's kind of grown a little bit. Several new faces here, and we're glad to have them. I hope next year you're able to come up with us. We eat really good, as you can tell. And got in a little bit of fishing. It wasn't the best, but we had a great time, and it's always good to just sit around and talk to people with similar interests and know that the world's not completely crazy. But anyway, I appreciate you watching, and
Maybe it's just our part of the world that's crazy.
well, it could be our part of the world. I don't know.
No, it's the whole world.
Yeah, but I wouldn't consider fishing catching turtles. I mean, that's really not
True.
fishing.
That's true.
But anyway, I hope y'all get to come join us next year, and we'll see you on the next one. My camera died.
I caught Danny catching turtles.
Perfect timing.
Oh, I'm gonna keep rolling because you guys have hysterical B-roll. So.
No, I'm good.
That is true. How do you not know
So
what
next year we're going to Pennsylvania, right?
Nah.
So Ron didn't have to go so far.
Hey, y'all want to go
We
up
got a
there?
park up there.
I'm just trying to figure out why she took the
I'll
cookies
get us
way
a state park to hang out in.
Oh, never mind. I don't know why she didn't take the cookies way fast. So.
No. You stop. Somebody's gonna
Hey,
do something.
so how do I order some cookies? I'm telling you right now, I will be more than happy to give you any of them.
You'll make more money than what we're making on YouTube.
Ron or
right?
Mike's
Alright guys, it's that time of night. I'm going to bed. We escaped all rain. Woohoo! That's one of the best parts. Met some couple new channels today. But that's going to wrap it up for day one of my East Tennessee trip. We're going to get up tomorrow. May have a special guest go with me. Checking out Chuck Swan. Especially go check out the church and everything. I'm done for the I'm done for the day. I am so tired. But anyway, it's been a well worthwhile trip. Turn you around. It's been well worth it. We've had a lot of fun. We've had a lot of discussions about YouTube in general and our channels and stuff and things we're wanting to try. So anyway, appreciate all the new subscribers. I was just looking and it looks like I have yeah, I've picked up some subscribers this weekend. Appreciate y'all subscribing. Appreciate y'all watching. I don't know what else to say. I mean, I'm tired, blown out. But did a different setup in the tent tonight. I went back down to my surplus. Let's see if I can show you real quick. Went back down to my surplus cot. Got a really super thick foam pad on this thing now. You can see it's an inch thick. It's over an inch thick. I forgot. It's an inch and a quarter thick on this thing. Super dense foam, so I'll be nice and comfy tonight. But I've got a lot more room with the military cot than I do with that double XL cot. It would go from side to side and I couldn't get anything else in here. So yeah, that's that. So that heavy, big old, easier to put up, but I had no problems putting this up today. So one of the things I'm doing, don't have great cell service. I fired up Zilio so I can get a weather forecast for tomorrow. That is the good thing about Zilio, is I can do that. So let's see. Weather, use current location. So right now it's 68 degrees, northwest wind. That's why it felt a little cooler out there tonight. Supposed to get down to 61 tonight. Bring it. I'll take 61. It says 63 for low. 61 tomorrow for low. And it got warm today. Got up to 81. Supposed to be up to 84 tomorrow. We'll be driving on the trail a little bit tomorrow. Then Monday, I think, well, no, they're not showing any rain for Monday. Now, it looks like we've lost all the rain. Right now, winds are, looks like it's going to be a good couple days still. So I'll take that. I'll take that. But that's it for this video and for the YouTuber Meetup. Hope you enjoyed the footage I got. And we will see you on the next video. Be prepared. See ya.